This is a really old Android phone, maybe like 7 years old, and it's not useful anymore. But not because it's old, that could be overlooked. You could use it for something. But my main problem with it is that it has a pin code. So somebody just threw it out and didn't care about it at all to unlock it or something, and yeah. Now I got it. I could use it as a desk clock or a weather app or something to display some important information. But yeah, now I just decided to take it apart and harvest its parts. As you can see, it has a 1400 milliamp hour battery. That's quite good. And yeah, that's about it. We'll have to see inside if anything can be used. But yeah, if I can't load the custom ROM on it and anything like that, then it's mostly useless. So let's see. Can I unscrew the screws? Nope. Come on. I took out one. And now this doesn't want to move. Let me get another screwdriver. Maybe this has a better tip. Oh, yeah, this one works. Okay, yeah. I see. The old one, the smallest one is falling apart. But this one can do it. Much better. So yeah, this was $1 set. I'm surprised it's actually metal. It has 10 screwdrivers in it. So I can't complain. If one screwdriver works, that's good enough for $1. Yeah, let's see. So there should be maybe a small battery inside, but it's relatively old, and yeah. Also a speaker, actually 2 speakers and a microphone, and that's about it. Oh, maybe a charge port. A micro USB port can be used for something else, and that's about it. So yeah, I got most of the screws out. Just break the rest. Let's try and get it open. It's not moving, but it should move. I mean, this is how it's supposed to come apart. From here. Oop, nope. What's happening here? Is it here? You push the screen up? I don't think so. Then how do you get this open? Huh. Get a bigger screwdriver. Yeah. Just rip it open. Yeah, that's one piece, unfortunately. So it's under the screen. This is odd. Yes, it's under the screen. So yeah, older phones in this era, they all had a removable back. But now I see that the middle part. So here's the battery cover. This is the middle chassis of some sort. What do you want to call it? And then there's the screen. So you have to remove it like this. Really strange. All new phones, I mean most new phones are like this, that you pop open the screen. Oh, it's coming. This is surprising, considering that it's relatively old. Does it have a date here? Nope. Oh, here. 2016. So yeah, that's a 6-year-old device. Okay, it's already relatively modern with this assembly. So yeah, come on. Maybe I can use the microphone, the port, the speaker, and something else. Those tiny little screws can be replaced on screws somewhere else. I guess that's it. Oh, there's one more screw. I'm being an idiot here. Here. It was all black in black surrounding and I didn't notice it. Come on out. Okay, so these screws are reusable for something else. Nice. And let's pop this out. Oh, yeah. So we have a speaker here. Some antennas, buttons. That may be good replacement parts. We have a little motor here. There's the vibrator. That is also kinda usable. Contacts. Here's the antenna going from one circuit board to the other. This little cable can be useful. Come on out. Yeah. Here's the microphone. Oh, and there's the little battery I was talking about, but I think that is already dead. Yeah, there's a battery. Yeah. The screen connects with this, I think. Or the camera. Maybe this is the camera. The front camera. Rear camera. Come on out. Yep. This is the camera. Come on, focus on something already. Tiny little camera. Oh, and it moves. That's interesting. No, it's fixed. Okay, never mind. Yeah. What else can we remove? Oh, it also has a headphone jack. And yeah, that's about it. Let's pry off the motor. This is nice. Nice little vibrator. Microphone. And let's see the speaker. The... what do you call that? Oh, and there's an LED. I mean the... oh, something is soldered here. Oh, those are the buttons. Okay, let's try to keep those. Come on, somebody is bothering me. Oh, there are 2 more screws. Yeah, I have to cut this short. It's important.